my brave companions. For I, the legendary Knight of Valor, shall lead us into the belly of this beast. Sir? Are you hiding behind us? Nonsense. I was merely inspecting the structural integrity of his back armor. Excellent, craftsman.
Right, structural integrity.
Onward to glory! Age before beauty! After you, my courageous men.
I partnered with Utopai Studios to create this animated story using PAI. PAI is a cinematic storytelling engine designed for creators who want to build real stories, not just generate clips. It helps you create long story videos of up to 1 minute while keeping the same characters, words, and story logic consistent across multiple scenes, giving you control over the narrative. This makes storytelling easier even for beginners. You don't have to stress about prompts, building multiple scenes and angles manually, or editing everything yourself. Utopai Studios can generate a story for you from start to finish. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use this tool. My name is Charles. Let's go. To get started, we are going to go to Utopai Studios. I'll leave the link to Utopai in the description of this video. Now, we are going to create a new project. We're going to click here, and then what we are going to do is just start creating. Now, here you'll be able to see the characters created for your story. You'll see the keyframes, the video, the editor, and the history. And then at the bottom here, you can just enter the context of what you want to create. And before doing that, just ensure that you have the right aspect ratio selected, and then you start creating. So we are going to start with the characters, right? This is the first step to creating. So we are going to enter this idea: a 3D animated character of the knight who is actually the scared one. A tall, shiny knight stood proudly in front of a dark, abandoned castle. Behind him were 2 guards. Guard 1 was tall but nervous. Guard 2 was short and even more nervous. The video must be 60 seconds long. Remember, I said Utopai can create stories of up to 1 minute long. For now, it's 1 minute. And then the next thing we do is to send this prompt. You can see here PAI has responded. It says, "Welcome. I've crafted a detailed screenplay based on your concept. It follows the shiny, seemingly heroic knight and his 2 extremely nervous guards." And down here you can see, "Since you mentioned 3D animated character, I propose we use the computer graphics cartoon with its 3D style for this movie. Do you approve of this style and the general story direction? Let me know so I can begin analyzing the script and setting up the scene." So Utopai is going to, like I said, it's going to create a story, it's going to write the script, it's going to create the keyframes, the scenes, it's going to structure everything. So here is just getting your confirmation. So what you do is to click on approve, or just type in approve or yes right here and send it. So PAI has gotten back after analyzing the script that it created, and it has set the scene for a hilarious 3D animated video. And here you can see that it created 3 characters from the story. Now, the knight, the guard 1, and the guard 2. And then here it has given us the opportunity to upload image. So for example, if you have a reference image of these characters, we can just upload it here. Just click on this plus sign to upload the image, and then we select the aspect ratio. But we've already selected 16:9 aspect ratio, so we have that sorted. The next thing is to just approve and confirm for it to create these characters. So I can just click approve or just enter it here. Boom, it has generated the 3 characters in our story. You can see this is the prince, this is one of the guard I scared, and the other scared guard. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. I have a lot of videos here that would help you. So subscribe, like, and drop a comment. So you can see the response here. I've successfully generated the character references for the knight, guard 1, and guard 2. I've also completed the full script analysis. You can see the summary based on the script that it wrote, it analyzed, right? It said it's gonna give us 15 shots for the 1 minute video. It has planned 15 shots. It's gonna use 3D, and these three characters, and we are confirming. It's asking us, are you ready to proceed with generating the storyboard frames, which is the keyframes? So you can just say approve or yes. So it's just doing everything for us. You just have to say yes, yes. So this just makes it easy. Utopai has changed the way people, creators approach storytelling. Instead of spending hours planning scenes, writing complex prompts, and editing multiple clips together, I can just focus more on the creative side of building the story itself. So I send this and boom, it has created 15 keyframes for us. Now, if you look at these keyframes, you can even tell how the story would go, right? You have an overview of how the story would turn out. From here, you can see the shot of the castle. You can see the prince standing in front like he's not scared, with the two guards looking scared. This is a close-up shot of the knight, the two guards scared. And you can see here, he created an extra shot. It looks beautiful. He has a raven standing on a tree. And here, all these are shots that would create this story. Like, this is beautiful. We don't have to do this. Trying to come up with these keyframes to create your story on a normal day would take you hours, but we've just done this in less than 10 minutes. And down here, you can see that it's asking, are you ready to bring this to life and generate the final video clip? All you have to say is yes or approve, and we have our video. It's as easy as that. So I'm going to type in yes and send, and boom, we have our 1 minute story. You can see here, it has been assembled into the final 60 seconds animated movie. Now let's play this.
Fear not, my brave companions, for I, the legendary Knight of Valor, shall lead us into the belly of this beast. Sir? Are you hiding behind us? Nonsense. I was merely inspecting the structural integrity of his back armor. Excellent, craftsman.
Right, structure integrity.
Onward to glory! Age before beauty! After you, my courageous men.
This looks good. You can just click on download to download the video. But if you notice some part of the video did not turn out well, you can just recreate the keyframe and redo, right? Or you can just recreate the keyframe for everything. But we are not going to do that. So what we are going to do is to recreate the keyframe for this scene right here, right? So this is keyframe 10. So I can say regenerate keyframe 10 and send this. And after everything, it's going to recreate the video from scratch, fixing that keyframe 10 for us. So we don't need to start from scratch to try to fix something in the video. We could just recreate the keyframe of that area we want to change. And boom, you can see it has generated 3 new variations of keyframe 10 that we can choose, and it's asking us for us to choose one. So if I come here and look at these 3, I can decide to choose this to change the vibe of the video of that particular scene. So I can look at this or this or this. I'm going to use this for a change. So I'm going to click select and my choice is 10. Yep. And then send it. Now it's asking, are you ready to regenerate the video segment? I can say approve, and it has started generating the videos. And boom, we have the video here.
Fear not, my brave companions, for I, the legendary Knight of Valor, shall lead us into the belly of this beast. Sir? Are you hiding behind us? Nonsense. I was merely inspecting the structural integrity of his back armor. Excellent craftsmanship.
Right.
Structural integrity. Onward to glory! Age before beauty! After you, my courageous men.
If you notice, it changed the frame for the video. What stood out to me first is how Utopai keeps characters and environments consistent across different scenes. I love how they started by creating the characters for the story and then the scene. This ensures consistency and gives you a high-level overview of how your story will look like without committing to the final video. This is next level. Another impressive thing here is the workflow. The platform handles a lot of heavy lifting, from generating scenes to structuring the story, so even beginners can create cinematic stories without needing advanced editing skills. You simply provide the context and the system builds everything for it, the scenes around it. I'm going to leave the link to Utopai in the description of this video so you can start creating your own story. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. There are a lot of helpful videos here. So like, share, and I'll see you in this video here.